everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Brussels sprouts, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with Brussels sprouts. So if you're looking for some meal ideas or some recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, bacon, beef, cashews, chestnuts, chicken, eggs, fish or seafood of any type, hazelnuts, lentils, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, poultry, rabbit, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, tofu, walnuts, and water chestnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that go well with Brussels sprouts includes artichokes, especially Jerusalem artichokes, bell peppers, carrots, cauliflower, celery, celery root, chives, endive, fennel, garlic, ginger, kale, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, root vegetables in general, rutabagas, scallions, shallots, sprouts, especially bean sprouts, squash, especially winter squash, and turnips. In the way of fruits that pair well with Brussels sprouts, there's apples, basically any type you want them, fresh or dried, apple cider and apple juice, cranberries, especially dried cranberries, grapefruit, grapes, lemon, lime, orange, pears, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products, we have breadcrumbs, buckwheat, grains in general, kasha, pasta, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy category, we have browned butter and butter, cheese in general, but especially blue cheese, cheddar, feta, goat, parmesan, provolone, ricotta, and Swiss cheese, coconut milk, cream, creme fraiche, ghee, sour cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's maple syrup, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil, especially olive oil, sesame, and walnut oils, soy sauce, stock, sugar, tamari, vermouth, vinegar in general, and wine, especially dry white wine and rice wine. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. Take care. Bye for now.